Hello folks, on our recent trip to Jamaica, we had the opportunity to visit families and friends, and we had dinner at UNCORKED in Sovereign North, that's in the Ligani area. UNCORKED was great, the food was really good, unpretentious, the salads were fresh and flavorful, and I had the jerk pork tenderloin and it was awesome, served on a bed of roasted potatoes. The wifey had the shrimp, and of course my sister had the salmon. I loved Encore because their food was really good. Prices were it was nice, and of course they had a great selection of wine. It's a nice place to hang out in the afternoons if you're coming in from work and you want to just stop and grab a quick bite. Or if you wanted a formal dinner setting, it was also great for that. I really loved it. So the next time you're in Sovereign North, stop by and let them know Yardie TV is sending you. Yeah, remember, Uncorked. Me like it. It really good. Big up on yourself.